Rigging is the art of preparing something for movement. What the skeleton and muscles are to the human body, or the engine and wheels are to a car, so rigging is to 3D graphics. Therefore, it's an extremely important part of the animation pipeline. And like a car engine and a human skeleton, rigging is a very technical skill set that can get quite complex. But this course is designed to ease you into the subject, so we're just focusing on the fundamentals. And there's two methods of rigging with Blender that we're going to cover. First, what's referred to as mechanical rigging, which focuses on object-to-object relationships and constraints, similar to machinery like a car engine or other automations. Chris Kuhn is one of the best mechanical riggers in the Blender community, and he's your instructor for this first chapter. The second chapter is about character rigging, and as you can imagine, it's focused on characters. In many ways, this is the digital equivalent of skeletons moving a body, whether human or creature. It centers around a unique object type in Blender called an armature, and this armature is primarily used to deform a model organically. So without further ado, let's get started.